So I want whenever I sell a product using Instamojo, instantly my customer should receive an automated WhatsApp message, something like this. It is saying, "Hi test user, thank you for your order. We have successfully received your payment on Instamojo, the order ID and the product. We will process your order shortly and keep you updated. If you have any questions, feel free to reply to this message. Thank you for choosing us." This is the message which I want to send, and let's see how we can create this automation and send automated messages on new Instamojo payment. For that, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Once you open the landing page of Pabbly Connect, in the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can send up to 100 of WhatsApp messages, something like this, for free. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Instamojo and select the same right over here. So as you can see, this is Instamojo V2, so we have to select this. For the event, you have to select it as successful payment and click on this connect. You're going to receive the webhook URL, so just copy the webhook URL and open your Instamojo account. Now you have to select the page for which you want to create this automation. So this is the page for which I want to create the automation. So go on the three dots and then towards this edit page. Once you come on this edit page, from the left hand of the side, go on this page settings and then towards this webhook. Once you're on this webhook, you have to switch on this add webhook button. For the webhook URL, you just have to paste the URL which you copied from the workflow. Now it is saying information to be sent, so select it as successful payments and click on this yes, save and update, and then yes, save and update. Now we have successfully added this webhook URL right over here in my page. I'm just going to show you. So as you can see that we have successfully added this webhook URL, which means that we have created the connection between Instamojo and Pabbly Connect. But it is still saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, we have to do a test submission. For that, open the same page and yes, go back towards the dashboard. And what you have to do, you have to purchase this product. Alright, so let's just go on the three dots, share page, and copy the page URL and open it in a new tab. So now let's just purchase this product. For that, go on this pay now. For the first name, I'm going to keep it as Jane. For the last name as user. For the email, I am going to keep it as jane@pabblytudes.com, and then for the mobile number, I'm going to keep it as this. Now let's go towards this add delivery information and enter the shipping address and click on this proceed to pay. Once we're going to click on this proceed to pay, we have to select the payment method. So I'm going to keep it as scan and pay, and it is saying scan and pay this. Okay, so I'm just going to use my mobile phone to complete this payment. Let's just complete this payment. I'm going to scan this QR code and complete the payment over here. Once we're going to complete the payment and successfully purchase this product, instantly the response will be captured. So as you can see, I have successfully completed this payment over here, and yes, we have purchased this product. So let's just open our workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. And now you can see we have successfully received this response over as the buyer's name, the phone number, the email address. Not only this, you can also see that we have received the shipping address. Now let's send them an automated WhatsApp message. For that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, I am going to use Pabbly chat flow in order to send automated WhatsApp messages. You can use any another application tool like Vati, AI Sensei, WhatsApp Cloud API. Pabbly supports most of them. For the event, you have to select it as send text message message and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for the token. So to get this token, just click on the hyperlink given right over here, which will redirect you towards your Pabbly Chatflow account. But first it is opening accounts window of Pabbly, so go on this Pabbly Chatflow and click on this access now. Once you click on this access now, it is going to open the dashboard of your Pabbly Chatflow account. Now once this dashboard is open, you have to make sure that you've added your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. As you can see, I have already added my WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, but if you haven't added your WhatsApp number, over here is a complete tutorial. You can refer to this tutorial and learn how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. Okay, so now let's just move on further from the left hand of the side, go on the settings and then towards this API and webhooks. And over here you're going to see the API token. So just copy this API token and paste it right over here in your workflow. After you paste this, click on this save and your Pabbly Chatflow account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, you just have to enter the recipient WhatsApp mobile number. And now after creating this connection, it is asking for the recipient mobile number. So let's just enter the mobile number of a customer. But over here is a hack that we don't have to enter this manually by tapping it like this, but instead we have to map it. So what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So what we have to do in order to map these details, put a slash, search for the details and map it like this. So let's just search for the number and map it. Now for the WhatsApp message, I'm just going to copy it from my previous workflow. I'm just going to open it and copy this WhatsApp message and we're going to paste the same WhatsApp message. But over here in this message, first of all, I am just going to map the name, okay? But before we map the name, after that we will also just correct the formatting. So after I map the names, let's move on further and let's just correct the formatting of this message. So not only name, we're going to map the rest of the details too, like the order ID and the product purchased. Okay, so first let's just map the order ID and then we're going to map the product purchased to right over here. But before we map both of these details, first of all, let's just correct the formatting over here. And we're also going to map the order ID. After this, let's just move on further for the name. So put a slash, search for the name and map the name. Once again, it is saying opt-in and incoming blocked. So over here for the opt-in, keep it as yes. For the incoming blocked, keep it as no. It is saying tags to remove and tags to add. So if you want to remove or add some tags, you can do it from here. For the keys, just switch on this mapping button and delete whatever is written right over here and click on this save and send test request. But before I click on the save and send test request, I'll just let you know that the phone number I've used is a dummy phone number. So instead of this, what we have to do, we have to use a real phone number. For that, I'm just going to replace this dummy phone number with the original phone number so that I can show the message and the response received. Now let's just click on the save and send test request, and once now I'm going to click on the save and send test request, we have received the positive response that we have successfully sent this WhatsApp message. So like I changed the phone number, you don't have to change it if you are using real details of your customer. So now let's just open our WhatsApp and check that we have received the new message or not. And yes, we have received the new message, only the name is changed, rest the details are exactly the same. So yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow. Now like I showed in the starting of this video, whenever a new product gets sale using Instamojo, which is this product, instantly they are going to receive an automated WhatsApp message, something like this. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly drop that in the comment section below. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want more automation tips, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.